say hello. Hope everyone is doing great. Sorry for the voice. Just woke up. Time is around 8:10. I got used to getting up like this. It became a habit in this trip actually. I'm sleeping sharp at 12 o'clock. Only once I slept at 1:30 or no 2:30 because I was editing. But after that, rest of the 10 days or I think 12 days, I got up literally at 8 o'clock sharp. Forget all that. Look at that view from here. Beautiful snow-capped mountains. The place we're staying in right now, I think this is around 2100 meters elevation. And oh my god, this time I did not face any motion sickness in the mountains. Now I know you people will say because you're cheating, you're having all the carbs and all that. Nothing to do with your diet. Motion sickness happens for so many unknown reasons. For now I'm trying to work out a little bit because here you don't have a gym. But there's a lot of ground here. And I think one of the main reasons we have very good signal here is because of this tower here. I don't know what tower is that. Whatever, but I'm getting good signal here. And oh yes, I think if I'm not wrong, this area is McLeodganj. But today's plan, it's more of relaxing here. We're not planning to explore too much because since day one, since Nagpur till yesterday, we've been exploring. We've been riding like 500-600 kilometers, going to that place, staying for one day, and one full day we're exploring, coming back. This is what we're doing since the last couple of days. So we thought, abhi bahut ho gaya. Let's sit and relax in Dharamshala. Oh, by the way, there is the highest stadium in the world. Let me get some good workout and never get this kind of a gym anywhere, right? So let's utilize it. Veg club sandwich, aloo paratha, dahi, pachadi, achar. Beautiful food with some beautiful view. We're done with editing day 10. Actually, I forget the day numbers because I don't remember honestly. We had breakfast and all that and came back to the room, and this is helping a lot. That's a proper room heater. Also, I forgot about one thing. I got a small mount, a GoPro mount that I wanted to fix on the bike and try it out for a different angle, because always you guys have been seeing the GoPro view, right? I want one more view, something like this view, but on the bike. No, just found it, and this is the mount. This is the mount by Bobo Gears. Pretty simple to fix. I think this will go on the handlebar. This will fix here. This will go over here. And the GoPro will sit here. I also got this waterproof cover. This is specifically for the phone and it is properly waterproof. Like I used this on day one riding from Hyderabad to Nagpur. There's a curse for Sriman Kotaru, right? Whenever I ride, it should rain. Though my phone is 100% waterproof, but I can't trust because I had a bad experience before. If it is raining heavily, I try to either put it inside the bag, or else if it's in my pocket, I try to put it in something like this. Properly secure it so that my 1 lakh rupees phone is safe. Best part is it is touch sensitive. Just put it to your handlebar. I had to use one spacer. This is the second GoPro, and the best part what I like about this is you can get any freaking angle you want because it's got nice ball mounts here. Now we're gonna get a different view in 3, 2. And oh yes, we decided to take the bikes and go today. We're not taking a cab. Usually we take a cab, right? Doggy, please move. Please move. Okay, baby. Okay. Oh yes, there is paragliding here. Can you... Oh shit, I just saw it. Where was it? How's the view, Macha? Good? Different, right? Especially when you go into proper ghats and all that. It'll be really good. By the way, all the links will be in the description box below. Also, I think there is a coupon code. So the first place we are going to is lunch place, obviously. It's 1:45, almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Late lunch because we had a little bit late breakfast. मेरा तो थोड़ा सा workout भी हो गया. Beautiful mountains यार. Amazing. Now everyone's bikes are tubeless. Is it tubeless, bro? Hey, bro. Hey, Sujit, bro. It's face tube, huh? Don't wear the mask. Show me once. Hey. So I don't know what's the problem, but it is showing 9. 9 psi in the rear tire. Left kara Keshwar. This is the proper market area. If you want to shop in McLeodganj, this is the place. But yeah, you don't have parking here. Obviously, you'll have to stop somewhere. Two great things Srujan did this time in this trip. One is getting this. That's a big lock. We're gonna lock both the helmets to the bike itself. And the second good thing he did is getting a helmet cleaner. Good job, bro. That's the place we're talking about. Jimmy's Italian Kitchen. So apparently it seems we cannot park there. We'll park first. It is illegal to park there. We might get a challan, so they asked us to park at a common parking area. There's a separate parking lot here. We got a place like this. As long as the bikes are safe, no problem.
Filter coffee with milk.
Let's see, this place is hyped so much. It's got almost 4.3 rating, 1900 reviews. Okay, so this place is called Jimmy's Italian Kitchen. Actually, the views are really amazing from here. I mean, we have better view from the room as well. What is this?
Bruschetta.
Average. Okay. Very okay. Tomato bread తింటున్నట్టుంది. This is the second dish. It's called
Jacket potatoes. Lemon iced tea.
Today is the last day of cheating. No, last 2 days of cheating.
Agra.
This is margarita pizza.
How's the pizza?
Good. 8.5. Seasoning. మీకు ఏం కావాలి?
It's good, but not out of the world.
Chocolate. నువ్వు ఎక్కడున్నావు?
What Rohit is eating right now is chocolate mousse. Charan ordered that, and it is the most recommended dish here, dessert here, and it is next level. ఇంకో 4 చెప్తాం. It's very good, unbelievably good.
చార్ అంటే ఇలా పెట్టేసి
అరే ఫస్ట్ టైం I'm gonna give it 10 on 10. Okay, we just finished having lunch here, and we have a very pleasant surprise. Surprise ka baap. Remember this guy? Hello. Srikanth the Great. Kanyakumari trip. Last time I met him in Kanyakumari. Uske baad Naresh ke ghar mein I met him once, and finally today we are meeting. But ride together was literally Kanyakumari. After that, abhi tak no rides. Will do certainly. He is doing something else, very adventurous. His stories are like next level. కుక్క కరిచిందని విన్నాం కానీ లెపర్డ్ కరిచింది మా వాడిని. He's living in Dharamshala right now. Done with shopping, done with eating. అంత తిన్నాం. By the way, bikes are all safe, but we have something interesting here. JCB 1, JCB 2. Hello, what's up guys? Kaise ho? I hope everyone is doing great. Today there is a little bit of clarity in the sky. I'm able to see the snow cap clearly. In fact, what you see here with your naked eye, none of these cameras make any justice. So anyways, yesterday after having lunch, we came back to the room. We did a little bit of shopping in the market. Nowadays, because of online shopping or even in your local markets, you're getting everything. So whatever I saw here, everything I've seen in Hyderabad as well. So it is not like anything super special. And one more thing is, we wanted to go to the stadium, but then everything closes here by 6. We didn't realize that. 1 hour of shopping and late lunch. It was almost 5:30, and it was getting really chilly here. And oh yes, today is gonna be our last leg. Today is going to be the last day of riding. We're going to Delhi. Rohit has to get back to his job, and Srujan also has to get back to his business. So we have to go back in the next 2 days. We have to ship our bikes. Tomorrow we'll be shipping our bikes. Today we'll just go to Delhi. And yeah, that's it. from Delhi we'll be booking a flight and flying back to Hyderabad to see our families. Almost 12 to 13 days now. Yeah, we started missing homes. Homesickness aa gaya abhi. Let's go pack our stuff and...
Shriman sir.
Hi.
Sir, subscriber.
Oh,
Huge
hi.
fan.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Come here, come here.
Yes, sir.
Subscriber from Dharamshala. What's your name?
पवन,
Pawan.
मैंने आपकी स्टोरी देखी थी कल.
बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया घूमना अभी.
बस
From
आपको
day
भी
one
निकल-
we are doing that, no? Just relax करेंगे कैंप में.
ओके.
एक दो places देख के बस.
अच्छा, मैं तभी आपको.
Right now time is around 10:40 and we're starting from Dharamshala. But for now it is showing 10 hours 40 minutes. That's gonna be like 10:40 बोले तो plus 10 hours. 10 o'clock we're gonna reach in night 10 o'clock. But that's okay. That's much better because once we enter Delhi, we don't want to get into that bad traffic. So much of luggage, panniers and all that. It gets really irritating, especially after riding for 497 kilometers. For now, let me load the bike and I'll see you guys on the GoPro view. I didn't realize this, but check this out. 48,999. Bike is gonna be 49,000 kilometers today, and we have 490, almost 500 kilometers today, which means it's gonna stop at 49,500 kilometers. Just 500 kilometers short of 50,000 mark. बहुत चला लिया गाड़ी को, but somehow I'm not like very keen on getting that at 1250 GS, and Ducati though somehow I'm not a fan of it. That not at all happening. 850 GS somehow. Again an 800 class, I don't think I'm gonna do that. Ducati, I ride it today, but not now. Let's get out of this place. Maybe from the highway onwards, somewhere from the highway, I'll start riding it. Chalo, Sujan ka once again there is a puncture. He's got a big puncture the day he put the tubeless tire, and since that day that puncture is leaking how many ever plugs we put in. Chalo, here we go. Delhi. Pretty good place, nice service, nice hospitality. Food is good. You'll not get like a lot of variety, but whatever they give you, that's amazing. I'm pretty sure I put on around 4 or 5 kilos. Not that much. Maybe 3 kilos at least. A lot of it will be water weight, and definitely there is fat weight as well. Today it is actually more beautiful. Why? Because there is clarity. Like I told you in the morning, there's a lot of clarity in the sky. There's no haze. Oh man, look at this sight. Amazing. Instead of riding from Hyderabad, by the time we come to Amritsar, by the time we reach Dharamshala, almost 2,000 kilometers, we get tired, and towards the end of the journey, after 12 days of exploring and riding, you get a little bit tired. That enthusiasm keeps going down. So from now onwards, I wanted to experience places more than just riding. So what we'll do is ship the bike here directly to Dharamshala and explore this place properly, or even ship the bike to Delhi and Delhi se start karna. That's nice. Oh man, paragliding going on. Seriously, Delhi people are so lucky. They have everything. Just 200-300 kilometers where they can come to Dharamshala. They can go to Amritsar. They can go to Himalayas. So I don't know if I'm going to vlog much today, because what will I show you? The same 4-lane highway. The 50 or 60 kilometers we have proper 4-lane till Delhi. Only thing is there will be a lot of traffic.
నేను ఏం చేయాలరా పంచర్ పైన పంచర్ అవుతుంటే అసలు నేను ఏం చేయాలి చెప్పు
పంక్చర్
ఈ నాలుగోసారి
ఈసారి రెండేపి దానిపైన. దిస్ ఇస్ ది ఫస్ట్ పంక్చర్ దట్ హ్యాపెండ్ on day 1 the moment we changed the tires, and since that day it is leaking from the same spot. ఏ కష్టాలేంటో. ఏ రిమ్ బెండర్ రే, కొంచెం తగిలింది బాగానే అక్కడ రిమ్కి, తట్టుకుంది కానీ ఇక్కడ ఎత్తేసినావు బాగానే. ఓ క్రేజీ వ్యూ. Very difficult to capture that on this GoPro. Oh, nice.
right now. And don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
Okay, we had to stop once again. Time is around 12:50, almost 1 o'clock. We just finished 40 kilometers, that's it, from the room. And the reason we had to stop is because another puncture. This time it's not Srujan, this time it is Charan's bike. Rare mein hai puncture. Durkinda? No, that's a big one. Today I think we're gonna go like really late. 9 hours 14 minutes, 456 kilometers from here. Time is 1:45 p.m. in the afternoon. Now I'm feeling very hungry. Ride is going great. Only thing is temperature is a crazy 28 degrees right now. It's gonna get more hot as we go down. Okay, I'll see you at lunch. Sorry Rochi, take the underpowered bike for today for some time. I'll take the overpowered bike. దీనికి కథలు ఉంటాయి. కీలెస్ వదిలేరా టూరింగ్ ఉండని. We don't want 160 bhp. We want only, touring is also 160. How does it look on me? ఓ అంత బాగుందా? ఇది వినిపించారు కదా మీ కాన్వర్సేషన్. ఓ ఇస్ ఇట్ సో గుడ్. ఓ బైక్కి అందం వచ్చిందా నాతోని? ఓహో ఓకే. Do you have reverse gear on this? Oh! Pop aindra. Now what I like about your bike, turning radius. హాయిగా తిరుగుతుంది బండి. సారీ రోచి, ముసలి బండి ఇచ్చా కాసేపు కానీ. Okay, right now it is in touring mode. Foot pegs are a little bit पीछे compared to my Tiger. Oh, you have ride on air. That's why it is soft seat. Oh, I like this. Amazing. I like your windshield, bro. Car lo కూర్చున్నట్టుంది. Fourth gear. Mad power. Mad power. A very comfortable position, dude. I thought it's gonna be sporty, but it is good. Maybe because I shifted from that bike to this bike, I'm liking it now. And is this in the tallest setting, the windshield? Seriously, you don't realize the speed on this bike, you know. The major difference I feel between the Tiger and this one is that the vibrations. There's a good thing, there's a bad thing in this bike. You know what? You don't know how much speeds are you doing on this bike. Even if you're doing like 100 plus, it feels like you're doing 60 or 70. It is a good thing, but then the bad thing is you don't realize the speed limits. ఆన్ ఎదురదింది, కింద దాచిపెట్టిండు. Actually this bike looks so huge from outside, but when you're riding it, it is so tiny. Brakes, oh good, very good brakes. M50s, that is the second best. Stylamas kinda kada adi. Yeah, but for an adventure tourer, I think that's more than enough. It's got the Brembo M50s. Lot of bite. Nice, no wind blast at all. I'm riding this bike to understand if this can be one option. Only thing is, this is not a proper adventure tourer. I think I'll categorize this under a proper sports tourer. Also the wheels are alloys and it's got a small wheel in the front. I think it's 17 inch. Oh yes, V4 Multistrada, that is also one good option. How much is it? Oh, it is as expensive as the 1250 GS. Only thing is, you have to ride this bike at a higher speed, otherwise it tends to knock. See that? Fourth gear, 60 kilometers an hour. It's fine, but then I don't know, it knocks a little. Should be always in high speed. It loves high speed. Honestly, you know what? I feel Ducati is a little bit delicate compared to the Tiger or the BMW. I don't know, maybe it is not, but somehow I feel that it is a delicate bike compared to the other adventure tourers.
ఇది హై బీమ్ వేయాలంటే కూడా తెలియట్లేదు ఇంట్లో చాలా ఉన్నాయి బటన్స్ ఏదో తాలరా ఫ్రీకింగ్ వీలీ కర్రా అంకుల్ జరగ అంకుల్ అరే ఏం అంకుల్ పురుషత్గా పోతుండు అంకుల్. One thing about the Ducati is it gets really hot when it's moving slowly. Right now temperature is fine, 92 degrees, but Rohit was telling me that it keeps going like up to 106, 105, which is pretty normal. But then if it is on the highway moving at high speeds around at least 60 to 70 kilometers an hour, then it's around 65 to 70 degrees, which is cool. Not good, which is cool. Seat is inclined towards the front, or maybe it is to do with this ride on air. I'm like sliding towards the front all the time. I feel the horn placement is a little bit downwards, not at a very comfortable position. It's like this. You get used to it, but coming from the Tiger, I feel that it is like here. No, but still I think you can adjust this towards the front a little bit. Oh yeah, this is the stock Honda Activa horn once again. Key. I like the mirrors, they're nice, wide, good visibility. Left కోసం హార్న్ గుడ్. అరే పోతుందా? This is too narrow, dude. Hey. Oh, there is a farmers' protest. Hopefully from here we have the highway NH44. Slow down. పక్కన కార్ వస్తుంది చరణ్ చూసి అటు సైడ్.
So 3 hours 14 minutes to the room, 150 kilometers left. We stopped at this place, Punjab Dhaba. No, not Punjab Dhaba, Haveli. There are a lot of Havelis. This is one of those. It looks like a very big place. Usually get these kinds of places along this highway. Only thing is the pace is so slow. I mean, we are doing like what, 30-40 kilometers, 50 kilometers an hour. 3 hours 14 minutes for 150 kilometers. You can understand the kind of traffic you have here. Bikes are performing really well, and today I'm not vlogging much because I don't want to bore you people with the same highway. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you, it is so damn cold. Once again, it is showing around some 18 to 19 degrees, and yes, a little bit shivering over. And I understood one thing: you have to have fat on your body. If you don't have fat, I'm not sure if this is true, but I'm shivering a lot. Before, I never used to shiver this much. Before, even at 13 to 14 degrees, I did not shiver like this. Now even at 20 degrees, I'm shivering so much. I think that has something to do with weight loss, fat loss basically. So let's have some dinner and get off. Place looks beautiful and all. It's looking amazing. I think food also might be very good, but problem is we don't have non-veg. Me and Sujan, we were thinking we'll have one last non-veg dish here, a proper butter chicken and all that, but somehow in this place it is not available. Your dream will never be fulfilled. But there is Burger King if you still want to go. But I'm like, you're in Punjab region. Are we still in Punjab or Haryana? Oh, we entered Haryana, so I don't think you'll get that authentic butter chicken. Next time, bro. Problem is, from the time we entered Punjab, he's like dreaming about butter chicken. That is not happening at all. Look at that disappointed face.
ఆ మొహం పైన నీళ్ళు చల్లుకుంటే ఇంకా ఏడుకున్నట్టు ఇట్లా పెట్టుకుంటా.
నేను పెడతాను ఎడిటింగ్లో.
చలో. Amazing dinner here. Definitely recommended in case you're traveling on this highway. NH44, excellent food, like 9 out of 10. Oops. And it is very cold, 18 degrees. Actually less than this, I guess. Once we get onto the highway, I also wore my liner, so not a problem. Another 150 kilometers showing to the hotel in Delhi, and we are on the highway. Have to be very careful on this highway because lot of traffic, like crazy amounts of traffic on this highway. You see this traffic? It is like this since the time we started on NH44. One of the busiest highways I've been to. Like in my entire riding career, this is the busiest highway I've been to. This is the same highway we took while coming back. Remember the incident where Charan's brake calipers have come out on the trans street pin. Remember that incident, right? It was on this highway exactly. Em traffic ra idi? Jubilee Hills check post laga undi. Oh, full on dharma.
Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
Boys, one good thing they did is they got a lot of important stuff this time. And as we just reached Delhi, not tough, but it was very irritating. We slept. You and me slept properly 7 hours.
For me, this was okay. Just the traffic.
Traffic was irritating. Not the toughest ride, but it was irritating. 9 hours 42 minutes is what Google showed us in the morning, and it took exactly that much. Not a minute here, not a minute there, including breaks and all that. 13 hours ho gaya? Aram se 13 hours. 14 hours. Oh. That's our last leg of this entire trip. Okay, now the important thing to do is our luggage is here. We need to sort out what we need and what we need to take home. The bikes, and most probably all this is gonna be shipped. Are you shipping everything? Actually, we have to sit and plan. Oh yes, I'm not even wearing my chappal right now. I'm really tired to take out my chappal and find where they are. Iska number kidhar hai? You see that automatic lights. If I'm not wrong, Rohit should be dead now. How was your ride, dude?
Average.
Hey, you're not tired.
No, it's shower.
But it was irritating, right?
Irritating, not tiring.
Because
irritating.
Kishore, good job.
Thank you. Yeah.
This guy, finally, in all of our trips, this trip was his best. Good job. Really good
Completed
job.
the entire trip.
When
Credit goes to me.
Self goal running. Okay, credit goes to him.
Credit card goes to me.
credit card, debit card, everything goes to Rohit. Because previously when Kishore used to come in the rides, I was like, Amma, this guy is coming, he'll slow down, he'll not ride properly. But this time in this ride, honestly, he rode really well. Good job. Rohit's second big ride after Sikkim.
It was easy right?
It was easy, but last stretch he was like going mad. He was irritated to the core.
Lack of sleep.
Oh yeah, he slept only for like 3 hours, 2 hours. 4 o'clock in the morning he slept. We all had like proper 7 hours of sleep, but he didn't sleep because of some anivarya karanalu. Chalo then, I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.
Good night.
Chalo then, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment.
Hit the bell.
Hit the bell, subscribe. Bell.
Sorry, first घंटा मोगा उसके बाद subscribe.
First subscribe, then घंटा.
Sorry, vice versa.
Subscribe and then ganti maro.